3D printing that has the potential to revolutionize the way we make almost everything.
Yes, it definitely does. The technological wave has brought the future into our hands, ladies and gentlemen. It's our turn to grab it and learn the art of prototyping. I'm Rohan Vijay. With me, you'll learn how to assemble a 3D printer, how to create various models, as well as print them using a 3D printer. This course will empower you to manufacture things with the power of 3D printing. With my 3+ years of experience and knowledge in 3D printing, I've created this hands-on learning experience just for you. This is Ed-En-Pro, the platform that will help you learn the latest technologies at your fingertips. Let's have a fun hands-on learning experience, and I look forward to making you a 3D printing pro.